Hello, I am Flash Isaac, and you are welcome to Flash Learners Common Entrance NCEE English Language Past and Likely Questions series. In this series, I will be taking you through past questions in Common Entrance and likely questions to expect in Common Entrance. I will explain and analyze these questions in a way that you understand, so that any question you see in English in your Common Entrance, you will be able to answer them without fear or favor. Not just English language. I have Common Entrance series for all your subjects. I will analyze everything so that you don't have any reason to fail. Now, when you see English or other subjects in Common Entrance, you need not to be scared. Open your mind. And when your mind is open and when you have the knowledge, you'll be able to answer questions. So these things are actually not difficult. I will actually prove it to you in this series that no question is actually too difficult for you to answer. I shall be making use of the Flash Learners NCEE application. So you can install one for yourself on Google Play Store, Flash Learners NCEE Common Entrance, or visit flashlearners.com to get the application, mobile version and desktop version. Look at this. If you are watching on YouTube, it is even easier because I will share a link to the application below and as well a link to the next episode of the series. Now back to business. NCEE English Language Past and Likely Questions. Making use of the Flash Learners application. The questions we shall be attempting today are from a comprehension passage. In Common Entrance, comprehension is very, very important and compulsory. You will be given comprehension passages to answer questions that follow. And what is comprehension? Comprehension simply means ability to understand. If you understand the passage very, very well, you'll be able to answer the questions that follow. Now, when you are given a comprehension passage, what do? What I actually suggest for people is to read the questions and options before going straight to the passage. Why? When you read the questions and the options, you already know what to expect in the passage. So when you see the part of the passage that answers the question, you will take note of it. Otherwise, you will just be reading the passages without revelation. So now, these are questions that follow this passage. The first question says, which of the following is not true according to the passage? Which means, out of option A, B, C, D, and E, 4 of the options are true. One of them is not true. Option A, Daniel gained admission into the Metropolitan Grammar School. Now, did Daniel gain admission into Metropolitan Grammar School? B, his father bought some items for him. Is that true? C, his father advised him to avoid bad company. His father advised him to avoid bad company. Did his father advise him to avoid bad company? D, his parents promised to train their children up to the university. Did the parents promise to train their children up to the university? And E, his parents did not attend university. So, which of the following is not true? Look at the next one. According to the passage, Daniel was going to school to dash. So, according to the passage, not according to you, not what you think, not what you assume. According to the passage, Daniel was going to school to A, make his parents proud of him. B, be a good child. C, know the formula for success. D, make new friends. And E, come out with an excellent result. So, why did they send Daniel to school? And the next question says, Daniel's parents, A, wanted their children to be successful like them. B, earns a meager salary, which means they earn small salary. C, wanted their children to be proud of them. D, had so many children. And E, studied up to the university. So did they study up to the university? Did they have so many children? Did they wanted their children to be proud of them? Did they earn small salary? And did they wanted their children to be successful like them? We shall find out. And the next one says, which of the following words can replace corrupt as used in the passage? So corrupt was used in passage. So can destroy replace corrupt? Can dishonor replace corrupt? Can retard replace corrupt? And can pollute replace corrupt? Or does disturb replace corrupt as used in the passage? And the last question says, Daniel's father said that the sure way to success is dash. A, obedience. B, diligence. C, goodness. D, friendliness. And E, accountability. So, according to Daniel's father, what is the sure way to success? So now that we've gone through the questions and the options, we understand what to expect. Let us go straight to the passage. And remember, the instruction is this: read the passage carefully and answer the questions that follow. Don't just read anyhow. Read and analyze. Look at something. You may be wondering, will all these things take time? Reading the questions, option, and passage? They will not take time at all. They are taking time now because I'm trying to explain to you. Otherwise, I would have finished reading the questions, the options, and the passage since and answered the question. And how do you improve your speed in comprehension passages? It's by constant practice. Keep learning, keep learning, keep learning, keep learning, keep answering questions. Before you know, your speed will increase dramatically. So, the passage. Daniel reached home and gave his parents his common entrance examination slip. Thereafter, his father went to Metropolitan School and collected the school prospectus. Look at something. Daniel reached home and gave his parents his common entrance results. After, his parents went to Metropolitan Grammar School and collected the school prospectus, which means he passed the common entrance exam. If he had failed, they would have been talking about how to resit the exam, or the dad would have been complaining. But for the dad to see the result and thereafter rush to grammar school, which is secondary school, to collect prospectus, it means he passed and is to be enrolled in the Metropolitan Grammar School. After common entrance, the next thing is secondary school. GS1, GS2, GS3, SS1, SS2, SS3. You sit for WAEC, JAMB, then you gain admission. So he brought a bus, locker, desk, chair, uniform, sandals, books, etc. for him. So the father went to school to collect prospectus and bought items for him. Looking at it, there was a question which says, which of the following is true according to the passage? The father bought items for him. That is true. The father enrolled him in grammar school. That is true. So for the dad to buy all these things for him, it simply means he was admitted in the school. So you read, you understand. I'm trying to analyze. And any passage you are reading at all, this is how you analyze passages. Few days to the day Daniel was to report to the school, which means he already gained admission, so he had to resume school. His parents gave him some useful advice and suggestion. My son, Daniel's father began as he cleared his throat. In a few days, you will be leaving for the boarding school, and I want you to know why you are going there. So the father is trying to tell him the reason he's going to the school. Remember, there is a question which says that Daniel was going to school to dash. So this is trying to answer that one. And if you notice something, from what we've read so far, we've already gotten a lot of answers to the question. Why? We've read the questions and options, and we are already picking out things expected. So Daniel is talking to him now. This is why you are going to school. Without missing words, you will be there to face your studies seriously in order to come out with a good grade. Which means he was sent to school to come out with good grades. We've answered a question. Your mother and I are ready to take the necessary sacrifice and train you and your siblings up to the university. So it says they were ready to train their children up to the university. Look at something. You and your siblings. So far, we've not seen anywhere they mention that Daniel's father had so many children or so many siblings. You and your siblings, it can be just 2. They can be 3. So no proof there that they have so many children. But the father promised to train Daniel and the other children up to the university. Now he continues, you have seen the type of life we are living. We work very hard but with little pay because we did not go to the university. So, according to the passage, it is actually true that Daniel's parents earn small salary, legal salary, very small. So that part is true. We've answered another question. And Daniel's parents, they did not go to school. They did not go to school. This is also true. We've answered questions. I would not like any of my children to end up like us. You see? So they didn't end up well, probably, and they don't want their children to be like them. And it says, make good use of your time. Be diligent in your studies, knowing full well that there is no formula for success in life except hard work. So Daniel's father believed that the only sure way for success is hard work, is diligence. We've answered another question. Now, my dear son, added the mother. The mother is now talking. Avoid bad friends and gangs. So there's an option that says Daniel's father advised him to avoid bad company. It was not the father, it was the mother. Look at it. My dear son, added the mother. So it was the mother that advised Daniel to avoid bad company, not the father. So you see, we've cleared a question. Evil communication corrupts good manners. Move with right friends from whom you copy good thing. So evil communication corrupts good manner. It simply means that when you follow bad people, they will spoil you. So which means they will pollute your character. So the word that can replace pollute as used in the passage is simply, that can replace corrupt is pollute. Pollute is corrupt. That is the right word to use when it comes to character. Pollute good manner. Don't let people pollute your mind. So we've read the passage and we know answer to all the questions already. So for formality, let's just pick them out. Which of the following is true according to the passage? His father advised. Which of the following is not true? All the others are true, except that his father advised him to avoid bad company. Option C is correct, which is not true, because it was the mother who advised him to avoid bad company. Now, according to the passage, Daniel was going to school to come out with excellent results, like I pointed out. Daniel's parents earned small salary. That is true. They did not study up to the university, and there was no place in the passage that said that they had so many children. And they didn't want their parents because they didn't want their children. They didn't like the life they were living. So they are trying to make up so that their children will not be like them. And wanted their children to be successful. They were not successful, so they don't even want their children to be successful like them. So option B, which they earn small salary, is the correct option. And the next question, which of the following words can replace corrupt as used in the passage? It is simply pollute. And Daniel's father said that the sure way to success is diligence. Diligence simply means hard work. Well, with this, we come to the end of episode 1 of Flash Learners Common Entrance English series. I hope you found this helpful. I am Flash Isaac. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you find this class very, very helpful. Feel free to check out the next episode. Tell your friends about this. Thank you.